In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move stop loss to break even in MetaTrader 5. By the end, you'll know the quickest built-in way to lock in a no-loss position once your trade has moved into profit. First, a quick definition. Moving your stop loss to break even means you adjust your stop so it sits exactly at your original entry price. If the market pulls back to that level, your position closes around zero profit and zero loss. This is a great risk management habit once a trade has gone your way. Here's how to do it using the standard Modify feature. Open MetaTrader 5 and head to the Trade tab at the bottom of the platform. This is where your open positions are listed. Find the position you want to protect, then right-click it. From the menu, choose Modify or Delete Order. A small order window will appear. In the Stop Loss field, type your exact entry price. For example, if you bought at 1.1000, enter 1.1000 as the stop loss. Double-check the price format matches your instrument's decimal places, then click Modify to confirm. You'll see the stop loss line move to your entry level on the chart, and your position is now protected at break even. If price reverses to that level, the platform will close the trade around zero. Keep in mind that depending on your broker, spreads, commissions, or overnight swaps can result in a very small difference from perfect zero, but the market risk is effectively removed. There's also a quick chart-based way to do the same thing. If trade levels are visible, you can left-click the stop-loss line on the chart and drag it to your entry price, then release. MT5 will pop up the same Modify window so you can confirm the change. This is especially handy when you want to act fast after a strong move in your favor. If you don't see trade levels on the chart, make sure Show Trade Levels is enabled in your settings before trying this approach. A couple of practical tips. Only move to break even once the market has moved far enough in your favor to allow the change. Some symbols require a minimum distance from current price to set stops. Also, use your exact entry price for both buy and sell positions so you get a true break-even level. That's it. Use either the Modify window or the drag and drop method to quickly secure your trade at break-even in MetaTrader 5.